Hey y'all, welcome back to another Christmas DIY video. I have 3 more DIYs in this video. I'm super excited. They're all Dollar Tree except that bag right there, that burlap sack that actually came from Dollar General. It was only $3.50. But let's go ahead and get right into the first DIY. So for this, I went and grabbed 2 snow globes from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and grabbed some Mod Podge and one of those little spongy brushes, and I just went ahead and Mod Podged the inside of the globe, and then I went ahead and just sprinkled some of that fake snow. I also got that at the Dollar Tree. Then I used these miniature little figurines that you see there. Also got those at the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of play with it, rearranged it how I wanted it. I had a little bench, I had some light posts, I had some Santas, I had a tree, Christmas tree. So whatever you want to put on this, you just want to make sure that you hot glue it. What I did first was Mod Podge the base, and I threw some of that fake snow on top, and then I went ahead and hot glued the figurines onto the little base there, and that was all. That's all that I did. And then at the end I also did wrap a little ribbon around the bottom of the globe. You can choose whatever color you want. I just had one that said Merry Christmas, and I wrapped it around the globe. Also, you can add as much or as little snow as you would like. I just kind of added enough to cover the top. I didn't want it to go all the way down the globe because I wanted the figures to be seen. So you can add, like I said, as much as you like on here.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We blink and then it's gone, so we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Alright guys, now on to the next project. For this one, you are going to use 2 of those candy cane wired wreaths, 2 18-inch wreaths from the Dollar Tree, and the garland as well. I used 3 packs of these. It's 15 feet to a pack. I used 3 packs. So what you want to do is cut the wire right before it starts to curve. I was struggling right there. As you can see, my husband had to come and do it for me. I actually got this idea off of Pinterest, but I saw it online for about $129, I believe. But I figured I can make this super simple. So like I said, make sure you just cut it right before, like right even, I guess, to where it curves, it kind of looks like it's making a J. You guys get it. But you want to hot glue it. I duct taped it and I hot glued it together just because I wanted it to be a little bit more secure. And then all you're going to do is take the garland and wrap it around each letter. And then what you want to do with the O, you're going to stack both of those wreaths together and you're going to tie them with garland ties.
We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba-bow, ba-da-ba-ba-bow, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-dow. Yeah. Ba-bow, ba-da-ba-bow. Yeah, ba-ba-ba-bow. Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late. 'Cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean. 'Cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house. And the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. From upstairs we hear the laughter from the ones that waited long for the
Alright guys, as you can see here, all I am doing is trying to fluff out this Dollar Tree wreath. I think it turned out pretty good. What I'm going to do is fluff out both of them and then stack them on top of each other and just tie it around with those garland ties.
So let us take this time to celebrate this year. And let's remember it's about the things we share. Let's come together and make memories that stay. The ones that never fade on this Christmas day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house. And the radio keeps singing what the season's all about. While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late. 'Cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait.
Alright y'all, so this is where y'all can get creative. You can leave it the way it is. You can add some lights to it. You can add whatever you want to this. I struggled a little bit just because I wasn't sure where exactly I wanted this. I thought of putting them, we have like these big ginormous windows right by our dining table, and I thought maybe hanging each letter on the window or maybe above our door. I wasn't sure, and I played around with this sign. I did not know how I wanted it or how I want to decorate it. So I kind of just played around with it, and I think that maybe next year, I like the way it turned out. I just think next year I want to make another one, but just with a different maybe color scheme or a different theme. But here all I'm doing is just adding some snow with some paint, some chalk paint. I just kind of painted just here and there just to make it look like it has a snow effect. And now you will see me bring out, I have a bunch of supplies. I did not know what I wanted to do. I kind of just played around with it until I finally got somewhere where I thought that the sign looked good the way it was. Hey y'all, also wanted to mention that the pine cones that I ended up using on this sign were actually from Dollar General. They come 12 to a pack and they're only $1, and I love these pine cones. They already have that snow on them. I think they look really awesome. I think I ended up buying like 5 packs, but they work great for projects like this. Alright y'all, and here I will be showing you what it looks like when it's not decorated, and then I will show you how I decorated it, so you can do whatever you want with it. I like the way it turned out, but like I said, next year I might do something a little different. Now, this next project, this bag did not come from the Dollar Tree. This actually came from Dollar General. These bags were $3.50 a piece, and all you do is take a pillow, an old pillow that you have, stuff the bags, and make it look like it has just make it look puffy, make it look nice and big, like it's full. At first I started with one, but I ended up grabbing another pillow just to make it look fuller, and you can decorate this however you want. I ended up putting a bow and some of the picks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think it turned out really cute. I don't know if I'm going to put this either by the mantle or by the Christmas tree. I'm not sure, but I only ended up doing one bag, and then I don't know if I'm going to do the second bag. I'm not sure how I want to decorate it, but I ended up getting both bags just because I didn't know which one I liked, but I really liked the one with the barn on it, and I think it turned out really cute. Y'all, I really like this. This was really simple, but I think it looks really cute, and I think it would look really cute against either the fireplace or the Christmas tree, or even by the door. If you maybe make like 2 of them and put them side by side. I don't know, I just thought this turned out really cute, and it was just super simple. But like I said, I did get this at the Dollar General. They had a lot of these burlap bags, and I might go back and get some more, but I do have to find me some more pillows to stuff this with. Alright, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed these little DIYs. I still have some more DIYs coming, but I really hope that you enjoy these, and let me know if any of y'all make these. I would love to see how yours turned out. You can tag me on Instagram, or you can just let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one.